morning, guys. Welcome back to Vondessa J. I am your girl, Vondessa J. So today, guys, this is a collaboration. I'm currently under chemo, and SHEIN has helped me out. Yes, with my hair. So, guys, if you want to see what wig they sent over to me, stay tuned. It's the heart of a woman. Yeah. So guys, as you know, I am a wig girly. I have pretty hair, but one thing, this is my 5th time under chemo, and one of the things go along with chemo, baby, you lose your hair. So with the SHEIN, I have this wig that I am going to review. And I want to show you guys everything that comes in with this. So it comes with a pink box, and you know your girl, pink down, pink. So inside, of course, it is your unit. You get a stocking cap. And also this is the band, it's the rubber band. I don't use these, but I'm gonna show you what I do. Also, it is some information called SHEIN Wig Club. This is how you take care of your wig. Also, you get, this is the human hair wig. So therefore it lets you know what heat or whatever to use on your wig. And this is just your user guide. So guys, let's go ahead and, are you ready to see this unit? I will put all the information on the screen. So this is your baggy 6 p.m. hair. So 6 a.m. hair. I have been wearing my other unit, guys, here that I got last year. Love it, love it, love it. So let's see what unit I got this time. So this is how it comes. This one is 8 inches. So let's go ahead and open this. It comes with your net on it. And this is the wig. So she's a short girl. She's a short girl. So let's go ahead. Also, it has your banding inside, so you can adjust that band however you choose to. It has just a little bit of lace right there. So let's go ahead and clip this off and get it on. The items you would need: rat tail comb. I love this brush. I need a new one, but I love it. A pair of shears, and I use my even spray. So guys, I want to reveal to you, I was cutting my hair down all before, and you'll look at me and you'll think I have absolutely no hair. And yes, your girl do have some hair right now. I've been doing like a treatment to it so I don't lose as much hair. My hair was here, and I started cutting it because I started watching my numbers, and I knew I was going to soon be going back to chemo. So yeah, so with my wigs, guys, one thing that I don't like doing, and that is putting on a stocking cap. I don't know what it is, but your girl, I just do not like it. So let's go ahead and put on the unit. You do have the adjustables in the back, and I do love those, because one thing about me, I don't want my wig tight, but I want to know that it's there. So let's go ahead and put the unit on. And I haven't had a short unit in a long time. Oh, do I like this? So, oh, the hair is bomb. Oh, the hair is bomb. Okay. I think you want to take this to the side like that. And I can tell you right now, it's so good and snug. It's really, really good and snug. Oh, okay. And me, that's going to be an automatic tuck. behind the ear. So let's go ahead and, I don't even think I need my glue. I don't even think I'm gonna need my glue. I really love how snug it is. So let me go ahead and cut back the lace like I would want it. Do I want to cut back the lace, or do I want to add makeup in it? So I'm going to just try it by doing just my makeup. Yeah, perfect, perfect. And I'm gonna make sure I go all the way on those sides, because if you're outside, oh my gosh, y'all, shut up. Look, shut the back door. Okay, what? Okay, yeah. Oh, yeah. Let me just try to get this little tab here. Oh my God. Oh my gosh. So perfect, perfect. So let me plug up. I don't think I would need my flat iron, but it's like I want to. Y'all. Okay. 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 Y'all. Girl, what? Oh my gosh. Oh, this is good. Oh, even if I tuck behind this ear, like, what? Oh, I love this. I love, 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 love this. Trying to, when I put on wigs sometimes, guys, my ears pop out, the top. So I'm trying not to have it pop out like that. There. Oh, y'all, this is sexy. I didn't even need my powder brush, but y'all, look at that. Oh my gosh. Y'all, this is so good. Oh, I love, and I mean, y'all, look up close. And y'all see, I didn't cut the lace. Only thing I did was, oh, I love that. Oh, wow. Okay, she in. And I'm like, and the hair feels so good. It feels so good. Oh, trying to see. Oh yeah, y'all, I love this. Oh, I love this. Oh my goodness. So I will have all the information down below, guys, for this unit. Wait a minute, hold up. This girl go ahead and put on some earrings. Oh, I'm wearing this today for sure. Put on some earrings. Let's jazz her all the way up. Oh yes. Yes, 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 guys. I love this. I always have a time with my holes in my ears and finding the holes, but yes. And I want that back. I just want a little bit out. Just want a little bit out. Y'all, 51 in what? How many days? Y'all, this is so pretty. So I will have all the information for this unit down below with a discount code. And SHEIN, thank you for sponsoring this part of the video. She's gorgeous. Oh yeah, she's gorgeous. Y'all, look at the bounce. See, hey guys, so I'm going to go ahead and show you what I put on. I just want to be comfy, so I have on my beautiful brown t-shirt. This skirts, it is skirts. This came from Marshall's. I have on, you know, my beauty supply socks, and I have on my Adidas, and just have on my bracelet, watch. I'm out of my rings, guys. I'm swelling, so I'm out of my rings. And of course, she's so cute. She's so cute. So let me go ahead and get the chemo, and I will see y'all in about 4. Okay, guys. So it is so many hours later. You can see it's getting dark, and I will put right up here what time it is. So how did it fit? Did it slip? Did it do anything that it's not supposed to? Y'all, hands down, she's a good one. I mean, so good, so good. I even was pulling it back like that and kind of like push it. I know I can put more layers in it if I want to, but I really don't. I did it all day. I didn't have to worry about. Now, what I did feel, and this just from packaging, right here, I do need to do a bump. But other than that, guys, absolutely fantastic. I got compliments on her. One of the girls on the chemo team, she was like, oh girl, that's you. I like that. So, y'all, once again, look at me when I pull it back. Y'all. And I can even like take it and, y'all. But it's made for that split on the side, which I'm pretty sure I can move it if I want to because it is lace there too. But I love how this one is held up so good. So guys, I wanted to come back and give you my hours upon hours review for this unit. So of course, you know, I will have all information down below. And SHEIN, thank you so much for sponsoring this video and send me this, because you know when you go through chemo, you still want to be cute, okay? So yes, they hook your girl up. So remember, information down below, coupon code down below, and I will see y'all in the next one. And y'all never know, your girl might be dropping another SHEIN haul, and it might be another unit. Yeah, she good. She's so soft. She is so soft, y'all. Look. She is so soft. So guys, I'm getting ready to take this off, run myself down, jump in the shower, and wind down for today. And I will see how it is. Bye.